Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neha Sultana Narayanpet. Today's video is going to be super exciting because I'm taking you along with me to the Gulbarga Science Center where students from Gulbarga and nearby Taluka schools came together for an amazing science model, for science model competition. So let's get started. The moment I step inside, a wave of excitement hits me, and the corridors are alive, buzzing with conversations, laughter, and the proud voices of young scientists. Yes, calling them scientists would be, kind of correct because, explaining, they are the ones who are explaining the future they have imagined. So, students from Gulbarga and nearby talukas have gathered here, schools from villages, towns, and the heart of the city, all united by one purpose to create, to learn, and to showcase the science with soul. So, as I walk deeper, I see rows of models, some glowing, some moving, some blinking with LEDs, and some so simple yet so powerful that they stop you in your tracks. And guess what? Jevargi School secured the first prize for their model called, energy green energy, right? Yes, green energy, and SRN Mehta took the second position. But honestly, I feel every student who participated gave their very best, no matter what the results were. Each one of them deserved appreciation, and yes, every participant received a certificate, which is such a wonderful encouragement for them also. And there were so many models that it was impossible for me to capture every single one, but I did record quite a few. And yeah, I also interacted with many students, and you'll see them explaining their science models with so much confidence and enthusiasm plus kind of nervousness. So yes, it turned out to be a long, fun-filled, filled day for all of us, and it was the day which was kind of very fun-filled. And yeah, make sure you watch the video till the end, and if you find it interesting, and then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, this is me, Neha Sultana, signing off.
ನಾನು 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಪ್ರೌಢಶಾಲೆ ಸರಳ ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಮಂಡಲ ನಮನೆಯು ಒಂದರ ಮುಂದೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದರ ಸರಣಿ ಜೋಡಣೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಧಕಗಳನ್ನು ಒಂದರ ಮುಂದೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದರಂತೆ ಜೋಡಿಸುವುದನ್ನು ಸರಣಿ ಜೋಡಣೆ ಎನ್ನುವರು. ಸಮಾಂತರ ಎರಡು ಬಿಂದುಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಅನೇಕ ರೋಧಕಗಳನ್ನು ಜೋಡಿಸುವುದನ್ನು ಸಮಾಂತರ ಜೋಡಣೆ ಎನ್ನುವರು. ಇದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ರೋಧವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತದೆ, ಇದು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ರೋಧವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತದೆ.
ये होम सिक्योरिटी अलार्म, कोई तो चोर आया तो यहाँ वो चोर आया तो ऐसा अलार्म 9.
Ma'am, this is a battery restorer, ma'am. This dynamo motor produces energy. The spare battery which is uncharged, ma'am, it will get charged when this dynamo motor produces energy. With this help, we can. ಚಂದ್ರಯಾನ ಇದು ಜುಲೈ ಒಳಗೆ ಉಡಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದು ಚಂದ್ರನ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದು ಚಂದ್ರಯಾನ 3 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಚಂದ್ರಯಾನ 3 ಏನು ಇದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ವಾಹನ ಅದ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ಮಾಡಿ ಭಾಷೆ
सोलर सेल
In today's this is human sensing robot. In today's modern world, robots are becoming a very important part of our this human sensing robot.
Oh my god, look at this dinosaur. This is so big. You know, one of my friends told me there were all kinds of dinosaur statues in this place, but somehow I managed with my friends to sneak my way here, and now, oh my god, just look at this place. Why does it look like it? You know, it looks like kind of, you know, it is breathing itself. And over there, yes, what is that? That lizard looking thing. Wait, is that like a mini dinosaur? A baby cousin, a sidekick. I swear that things, you know, that thing looks, oh my god, that is so scary. That teeth was so sharp. Why does it look like it wants to jump off its stand? I wish I could go inside that garden. Just one walk, one peek. Even though I would probably scream the moment something moved. Oh my god. Still being surrounded by all these dinosaurs, it still, you know, being surrounded by all these dinosaurs, it feels, you know, unreal. Like I just stepped into a Jurassic movie without permission. And this is the place I was dying to visit the moment I heard about it. And trust me, the hype did not prepare me for what I'm seeing right now. This whole place feels like I accidentally walked into prehistoric chaos, and I can't decide if I want to run away or stay forever. I don't know. If you like this video, then please make sure to subscribe. Bye bye.